Welcome back to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you lead a healthy and vibrant life. Today, we're going to share with you our top 10 tips to beat diabetes and live a healthy life. So let's jump right into it. Tip 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing diabetes. Research and understand the condition, its causes, symptoms, and treatment options. This will empower you to make informed decisions about your health. Tip 2. Adopt a balanced diet. A healthy, balanced diet is crucial for managing diabetes. Focus on whole foods, including plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and beverages high in added sugars. Tip 3. Portion control. Controlling portion sizes is key to managing blood sugar levels. Be mindful of your serving sizes and use smaller plates to help control your portions. Tip 4. Regular exercise. Physical activity is essential for managing diabetes. Engage in moderate exercise like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling for at least 30 minutes a day. Consult with your healthcare professional to determine the best exercise routine for you. Tip 5. Monitor blood sugar levels. Regularly check your blood sugar levels to track your progress and make necessary adjustments to your lifestyle. This will help you understand how your body responds to different foods and activities. Tip 6. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking an adequate amount of water. Limit your consumption of sugary beverages, as they can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels. Tip 7. Manage stress. Stress can affect blood sugar levels. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Tip 8. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is vital for overall health and diabetes management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine and create a sleep-friendly environment. Tip 9. Build a support system. Don't face diabetes alone. Surround yourself with a strong support system that includes family, friends, and healthcare professionals who can provide guidance, encouragement, and accountability. Tip 10. Celebrate small victories. Remember to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Be proud of your progress and use it as motivation to continue making positive changes. And there you have it, our top 10 tips to beat diabetes and live a healthy life. Remember, it's a journey, and every step counts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.